This is Adapt Air from Timlock, and what it does is it replaces a brick and allows you to put in a fan quite easily. So we've got the brick shape here, and it's in terracotta to match bricks, and on this side we've got a 100mm fan connection. So typically what you'd have to do is you'd have to core drill out a 100mm hole, or do that by putting in lots of little holes and then knocking out the brick in the middle. And I'm not going to have to do that, because all I'm going to have to do is to remove a brick, push this in and fasten it in place, and then I've got my fan connection. Now for me, the colour here, it's in terracotta, but I need to actually put this into UPVC, so I obviously need this white. And the good thing about that is I've already thought of this. So all I need to do is take off this unit and push on this unit, and suddenly I've converted this from being the terracotta colour into a white unit. So let's see how it works in practice. It's really easy to fit the trim lock. All we need to do is to mortar it into the wall to hold it in place. It can be used at floor level or higher up. It's suitable for bathrooms, toilets, utility rooms and kitchens. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, why not give us a like? If you like our content, then subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.